How to reset forgotten ChatGPT password. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can reset your password if you have forgotten it and also to recover your ChatGPT account. Step 1 is to open Google Chrome or any other web browser that you prefer on your device. Now search for chat.openai.com. Once you get here, tap on the option of sign up. Here, if you do not have an account, you can create one. If you already have an account, tap on the login option. Go ahead and enter your email address here, then tap on the continue option. Now, here you will have the option to enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the option of forgot password in order to reset it. Now, here it says enter your email address and ChatGPT will send you instructions to reset your password. Enter it and tap on the continue option. As you can see, an email has been sent. Go ahead and open your mail application. Tap on the option of reset password. On this page, you get to create a new password. Go ahead and enter it one more time for confirmation. Now, if the password meets all the criteria, tap on the reset password option. As you can see, your password has been successfully changed. Tap on Back to OpenAI ChatGPT Web. Now you can use the new password in order to log into your account. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.